It is May 13th. I think this is the fourth day I've been doing this, of making AI videos every day towards building a product where I'll be able to take a book and turn it into a limited series or a movie. Today, I learned about a tool called Remotion. I'd heard of it. I didn't know what it was. I'd never used it. I'd never seen it. It's a code-based editor. So rather than making all your changes from the GUI, from the interface, you do it through terminal, or in my case, I did it through Claude Code. So I would tell Claude Code, take these images, this logo, this photo of me, and add in motion graphics. That's what it is. It's a motion graphics tool. So for the video that I made today, the the product that I'm going to post, it was my face and then the logos of my two businesses and then just like a quick little thing about me. Here it is. Very simple, and I could have spent a lot more time on it, as with all of these videos, but I'm time constrained in order to do this challenge. And that's the purpose, is I'm just testing out a lot of tools. And it was super easy to set up, as everything is with Claude Code. You just go to their website, you tell Claude Code, install this skill, and it does it. And then, like I said, you can just upload an image or point it to a path on your computer of where you have media files, because as you saw in the video, I actually added sound effects, which Claude sourced for me. And then the music I sourced from YouTube's music library, but it was all very easy. I just told it, like, add this stuff to the image, to the motion graphics, and it did. And I also played around motion graphics that were made from scratch. So I just said, use these words and make motion graphics out of it. So you don't even have to provide it any existing images. And I asked it if I could give it a script and it make a motion graphic out of that. And it said it could. I didn't play with that yet, but what I plan to do with this, what I think will be really cool, is making stuff for data. So like if you're mentioning a graph and you see like a green line going up or a red line going down, and it can make those type of animations, which I look forward to playing around with. Or at the beginning of a video, if you have like a roadmap, like this is what I'm going to cover in this video, and then you have some sort of motion graph to visually represent what's going to be covered in that video. I think that'll be a really nice touch. Learning motion graphics through After Effects or even in DaVinci Resolve is something I've been putting off for a long time. It's a really hard thing to get into, and I may never have to with AI, because this just makes it so as easy as a couple prompts. Now, the other thing I did today was I downloaded Blender and I started having Claude Code, once again, render up some objects, three-dimensional objects in Blender for me, which I don't know how that will really help with video, but you know, another tool in the tool belt, another thing I'm playing with. My video from yesterday about Claude Code and Descript integration continues to do quite well. It's gotten something like approaching 80 watch hours after I posted it 24 hours ago, and it's getting like 50 views an hour. So a lot of interest in that topic. And what I'm starting to systematize or build out the systems for is processes of taking videos and being able to edit them completely with AI through a series of steps in a prompt. And this might get to a point where there's multiple tools being called upon. So there might be the Descript to do the actual editing. It might call on Remotion to pull in the motion graphics. And then it might call on Seed Dance or Higgsfield or something like that to pull in AI generated videos, possibly even HeyGen if I'm using avatars. But those are the processes that I'm building out here on the fourth day of this accelerated learning path that I'm doing.